Hello and welcome to today's MSAB Monday. I'm Adam Furman. We're looking at XAMN Pro today, and one of the things that I wanted to cover was context. So we've all had cases where a normal part of the process is to look for keywords. In this case, for example, if we go to all artifacts, we can then start to run a single keyword search, or we could of course provide a word list that we want to run on. And I recently came across a conversation on Discord where context proved to be king, and searchers were coming back for known child sexual abuse searches, and it just highlights the importance of finding context for any of your search hits. For example, if I was to search for child, for example, this of course is going to bring back hits that are within settings files, for example. So for example, you could have the TikTok application, and within the user agreement, it could have the child sexual abuse material. Those sorts of things are banned from the platform. That doesn't necessarily mean that the keyword has been input by the user or searched for. So you need to look for context. So when you do your keyword searches, and you can see I have 90 hits for child, you really do need to dig deeper and go beyond push the button. We need to understand the context for any searches that were carried out, and by doing this we can prove user intent. It takes a lot more work than just running a keyword search and saying I had 90 hits for child sexual abuse material. You need to dig into the files and look for where those keywords exist. Has it been user input, or is it a system function? So for example, this hit has come from this XML file, so I can look for here and see where that term exists. Hopefully this has been a good reminder to always validate your findings, whatever forensic tool you're using, and you'll join us again soon for some more hints and tips. Thank you.